Hi, I'm Dan from OEX. Over the years since their manufacture, many Nissan vehicles have had second batteries and accessories installed. These accessories increase the current load of the battery and alternator, meaning an upgrade is required. There have been multiple units manufactured and many disappointments for customers trying to upgrade their alternator with the frame size and B positive terminal location. OEX now have a patented innovation to offer solutions to these requests. The HXA099U alternator has been designed with the serious off-roader in mind, by having the output upgraded by 30 amps for standard. Please bear in mind that you may need to upgrade the B positive wire from the alternator to the battery. When comparing the HXA098 and HXA099 alternators, you can clearly identify the point of difference with the all-new HXA099U. Let's take a closer look at the unit. Multiple applications can be covered by utilising the innovative relocatable B positive terminal. This clever innovation allows you to configure the terminal prior to fitment. To do this, simply remove the blanking cover and nut and relocate the B positive terminal to the correct position and tighten the nut to 4.4 to 5.8 Newton meters. Use the blanking cover to fill the original position. The unit features 3 different B positive terminal configurations suitable for a range of OE and OEM numbers. This innovation allows automotive technicians to stock one unit and manage inventory more effectively. With the simple relocation of the terminal, this unit makes it compatible for multiple Nissan applications. For more information about OEX product innovations, visit oex.com.au or oex.co.nz.